Hey there from Vermont. The goal of this exercise is to map all the natural notes on this guitar neck, these first 5 frets. So the first thing you need to do is label these strings. This is the thickest string, this is the thinnest string, and to label the strings we use this mnemonic: Eddie, 8, dynamite, good, by Eddie. So all these strings are labeled, and this is what these strings sound like if you pluck them without any fingers on the frets. So this is an E. When you put your finger here, it changes the note by a half step. Put it over here, another half step, another half step, another half step, another half step. So what you need is a reference, and you can write the reference right about here on the top of the page. The note A, something in between, and then B. Next half step is C. Next half step has something in between. D, half step, half step. E and F are right next to each other. Something in between F and G, and something in between G and A, and that goes on and on forever in each direction. So how does this apply? If I go to E, I want to go to the next half step, E to F, E to F. I'll put an F over here. Then this next half step is the note in between. I'll put a little dot there. And then the next half step is G, and so on. So I can say that if I play the 3rd fret of the E string, it'll become a G. 1, 2, 3 on the E string. If I started on D, I would find my D. The next half step is a note in between. Then the next half step is E. And E and F are right next to each other. So if I play the 2nd fret on the D string, it becomes an E. Your assignment is to fill in the rest of the grid until this whole grid is mapped out with letters and the notes in between, and we'll talk about the notes in between in another lesson. Alright, good luck and submit.